So obviously when you're coming up along these country roads, you've got to take advantage when you see a viewpoint. We keep doing this, but my God, this view is just incredible.
Nice road, wasn't it? Is it a wild one or yours?
No, it's yours.
You take it to your mason, your house?
It's my friend.
It's your friend?
Does he come back from here?
Yes, my friend.
What is your friend called?
Herda.
Herda.
Yes, Herda.
Have you seen this?
Wow, so cool.
Nice.
I didn't take the one.
Thank you.
Hello.
Where are you from?
England.
England. Okay, nice to meet you.
And you.
Where's the... Oh my God!
I know.
Are you holding it?
Yeah.
It
It's
is.
so soft. And then feel the spiky tail,
Right.
No,
but then go backwards on the tail.
There's that
It's
proper
like,
chill,
like a
isn't it?
cactus, isn't it?
Yeah, chill, mate.
What's that?
It doesn't feel real.
Feed it.
Oh my God, it's
so cute.
Ah,
Saying hello. 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 Hello.
These and Dale says no, but they're ever so cute.
They are cute. They're just little trinkets, aren't
Let's
they?
put salt and pepper in them, aren't you?
Yeah. Oh, Nick.
This is all. It's money in desert. It's money for it.
Oh, that's money.
For buy.
South
crowds.
So this here.
This is money
So this is money in the desert.
in desert.
Cool.
Have you got yours on there?
Why have you not got it on, Nick?
Here it's different.
It's got a lovely sound.
So we've pulled off the road onto a proper dirt track because it looks like there's a bit of a commune of motorhomes, camper vans in the middle of this vast desert, and we're going to try and find them using these crazy dirt roads. Now it's a little bit nuts, but it's so much fun. If I'm honest, I've no idea where we're going. It's proper bone rattly type of journey, this, isn't it? It's stopping. Yeah, there's not that many. Doesn't look to be that many vans in the distance that we can see. So I'm just wondering if it's actually worth doing it. Okay, so that was a slightly wrong turn. So we've turned around now and we're, whoa, that's a big hole. We're carrying on up a dirt track. No idea where we're going because our internet has just run out. Luckily, we're with these guys, but it's exactly 28 days today, so our SIM card has just gone kaput. Oh my word, this is crazy. Wowzers. But where this supposed like commune is, where there's loads of vans in the middle of the desert, it looks to be like there's maybe 20 vans, if that. We've heard that there can be upwards of like 300 vans. So yeah, I'm not sure what we are gonna see when we get there. Okay, so we ended up having a little forage for some crystals, realised that we'd definitely gone the wrong road, and that if we'd have carried on, we don't know where we'd have bloody ended up. So we've hopefully hit the right track to find where this community of motorhomes, camper vans and all that sort of thing is. So sorry.
What?
it's just really like them, so I keep thinking that the front end's gonna hit. Did it hit then? I know why they wanted us to go first on this bit. I bet it is. Just keep going. Just keep swimming, swimming, swim. What do? We swim, swim. Oh my God! Jesus! Wow! Wherever we are, we've got some pretty beautiful views coming up. It's got a lot worse, so it's getting a bit hairy there. Don't get too close to that edge. Oh, it's alright, it's not an edge. Oh, Nick, I don't know about this. Nick, look up there, it's getting worse. Should we stop and see what they want to do? Oh my God, Nick, Nick. Oh, I don't know, it's just really high in the middle of the road.
You're making me nervous. Yeah, really.
Ah! And then over the hill, you all of a sudden see them. Woo-woo! It's a bit crazy. There doesn't seem to be many people here. Let's see what kind of people are here. This is mad. It's just in the middle of absolutely nowhere. It's crazy. Oh, this is crazy. A lot of nomadic type people here, isn't it? It's a bit of a community. He's got like a military uniform on. I don't know. Hello. This is so cool. Sure.
Hello, Jennifer.
What do you think?
I think it's pretty cool. Everyone looks pretty cool as well.
I reckon this is going to be really cool. What do you reckon, Nick?
Whatever you guys, what do you want to do?
I'm happy staying here.
So we're thinking that there's some sort of officials here, because on our way in there's a lot of people that have been packing up and like leaving by the looks of it. So we don't know whether people are being moved on.
I'd say to Dale.
But then there's people set up over here.
I think there's been a gathering here purposely. And they're all tenters. And they're all packing.
Yeah.
Look, I think there's been something.
Yes.
Because all the camping ones seem to be going, but the motorhomes and those big trucks don't look like they're going nowhere. Because the chairs and tables are still out.
That's what I just thought about that Pete. Them over there, they're still sat there.
We'll go over and ask them.
Yeah, maybe.
Yeah, go on, Dale.
It's like the organizations, they are from France.
Yeah.
And then we just came here to just, have a good time. Yeah, of course.
Thanks, Israel.
Of course,
Nice to meet you.
Yeah.
So it turned out we'd missed out on a rave in the desert.
So with the officials moving everyone on,
It was time for us to scarper. Is this the campsite? Now for the merry old dance that all the vans do. Whenever we get to any campsite, it's like this big thing on how we're going to park. I knew it! I knew it! I knew it was going to happen. Go on, you just go along in that line like that. Yeah.
Our alpaca at the end of the other side of this washing, and you two can go in forward and we've got like a bit in the middle to sit. Yeah?
Why don't we get Andy to just come in like this? Yeah, he's going to do it. What are you doing? What is he doing?
What are you doing?
You fool!
Well, you said I've got a good idea. Why don't you just walk forward and then they'll square off and then another one and you've got a big rectangular shape.
Yeah, just you go there. You go up against these. Nick, you come in a line here. Nick, you come in a line here. Straight, yeah, straight. Right, and then you come into here, like this. And then Mr. Merley, swizzle round and square us off.
What I was thinking actually was they'll go into square there, so we're facing into there, and then another one there, and then you've got a massive rectangle.
You've got a massive rectangle anyway. He's going to reverse now, look. Look at all this activity space. Look at all this activity space, Jackie love.
Okay.
Are you wanting to come closer?
No.
Are you sure?
I feel like this.
Is it messing with your head? Yeah, that's what we're doing.
Just going back to
You know when you know it's going to go fast to do that? Yeah. I'm happy. Are you happy? Oh my God, look at the state at the front of the van.
Yeah, it's looking good now, isn't it?
Nick, what's your plan? To get it as dirty as you can? So, we're in Ouarzazate. We've just got the taxi, just trying to organise getting back, I think. But that is the Casbah behind us. It's the old walled city.
Guess what?
Ouarzazate.
It's closed.
It is closed. How annoying is that?
Typical.
But we're going to come and have a nosy round, have a look around the Medinas.
But we can show them, can't we?
Yeah.
Because it is still.
There's a really old bit of the building there. It seems like in Morocco there is a lot of shops and all of that, but they tend to open a little bit later in the morning. They have slow mornings here, I think. Oh my days, there's a load of 4x4s pulling up. Must be on a tour. Oh my days, like an assembly line.
You know.
I'm having to help Nick down. Woo!
What flipping giant made these steps?
I don't know. So the guide just then was a little bit unhappy at the fact that we didn't want a guide. We just want to have...
What happened?
So, 2025.
Just like by magic, something weird's happened.
I know, right?
Yeah.
So, it's 2025. We look a little bit different and we're back in Ouarzazate. So we lost all the footage because we lost all the audio going through Morocco. So come along on this journey with us. We're going to start from the beginning where we left the UK and go from there, and you'll be able to see our journey back through Spain. We had a beautiful time, met so many people, and now we're back in Morocco. To be exact, Ouarzazate.
To where Jennie fell.
To exactly the spot where I took a tumble and broke the camera in the first place. So get ready for our new and up-to-date adventure, starting in the UK, coming all the way over to Morocco, and merging last year's footage with this year's footage to bring you the best vlogs that we've produced, hopefully.
Get ready for the madness.
But in the meantime, stay tuned for the bloopers.
And don't forget to like and subscribe.
Ding the bell for notifications when our vlogs are released. And drop us a comment letting us know what you've been up to this year.
You may have been to one of the spots we've been to. If so, let us know how you enjoyed it.
Anywho, hope you enjoyed this week's vanlog. Hope to see you on the road somewhere, because as ever, we are
Only half the world away.
keep dreaming big, being kind, and make every single moment count. Look at that mountain there. Looks like it's got loads of hats on.
Why is he letting you hold him?
Oh shit.
Why is it not moving?
Like, you know them.
Why is it not running off?
This is crazy. Crazy. Always fun, isn't it, when you tell the other person to go and do the bloody outdoorsy shot and go and collect the camera. You go meh, 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 meh. We've hopefully we have hope. Oops. Fucking Ace Ventura and mouths on. Oh, Luna. Just snotted.